Hello, Tamil Nadu and Lion of Tamil Nadu, CM, Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, Mr. Stalin. I very appreciate you and congratulate, and I am standing with you that you are doing good and right at right now step, because our center government is imposing and making compulsory Hindi as a compulsory subject, which is not right. So it should be option that anybody, if want to read, write, speak Hindi, he can do. But it's not good to impose and make compulsory. It's not good. So you have taken good stand. So I appreciate, and you are making union with all South Indian states, and we as Punjabi are with you. Actually, I can't speak English very well, but I am trying to congratulate, and more than 50% Punjabis are with you. As a Sikh, I want to live everybody independent life with his own culture, language, religion, anything which he or she wants to live with the nature, according to nature, which is good for all humanity, for country, with the nature. But I am seeing the partiality which is done by our central government is not good. They are unconditionally helping other states which have not done very well in the last 75 years, and they continuously getting every type of help. And your side, all South Indian states, including Punjab, Northwest state, the border state, they controlled their population and focused on development and progress of country, and played every part, even giving their life sacrifices on borders, on everywhere in science, technology, to live free, and feel freedom with honor and with their beliefs. But central government, not all central government, but right now, which the RSS, which wants to make Hindu Rashtra, is very, very bad thinking. They have their dirty, rotten eggs or cow dung like thinking in their mind, in their hearts. They are very, very bad people, and they have not right now from 70, and RSS doing this propaganda, or they're imposing their theory from almost 100 years, but they are not defined who is a Hindu and what will be in a Hindu Rashtra. Hindu word, from where Hindu word came, and which were living from centuries on this land of India, Indus Valley, and who are Hindu. So they now described even the definition of Hindu, who are Hindu, and how Hindus are superior than others. Even still now, not all Hindus can enter into temple, and if somebody enters, they clean with Ganga water like Amrit, they clean. It means the Hindu god is very, very infectious, that a person who is not very superior or Brahmin, when he enters the temple area, and temple gets contaminated, get dirty, and so they need to clean it with water. So it is the thinking, discrimination, their ego, their false ego, that they are not treating all humans equal, and they want to focus their theory or what they want to do, and forcefully with cheating, with any type of sajish, like they are the bujdils, kayers, very very bad people. So you taken good stand, and in if they want to forcefully, they want that everybody should read Hindi, then they should also apply the other South Indian languages in Hindi belt area, like Bihar, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, or Himachal. So they should at least 2 language of South India, they should also impose on these states. But see what is the result. They helped these Hindu belt, the cow belt, Hindi speaking states, every type of help they gave to these states. But what is the result? They are continuously producing children, and if you take a survey, how many people are eligible, or how many people can write or speak or read Hindi language correctly. What is the progress of 75 years they given all sports to these states? What is the result? How many person, or how much population is educated, and how many families have advanced thinking, scientific, and what is their part, what role they played in development of India, excluding increasing population. So your side state, South India and Northwest state, Punjab, controlled population, and this is now become their crime, that they will get punishment. Now they will increase member parliament states, or the other states in which they will get majority of seats from only UP, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Madhya Pradesh, like states which have big population, but nothing in their scientific or in the progressive role in India's. So they will be winning with seats only in these Hindi or cow belt states, and nobody will take care of South Indian states or Punjab like state. So it's which result will be very bad. So nobody will hear your or Punjab's voice if they implemented seats, member parliament seats, Lok Sabha seats according to population. And they are doing very wrong that they stopped your crores of funds which were going to be apply in education or health or infrastructure. They stopped your funds, and continuously they are doing gundagardi and blackmailing. If you are not doing according to their choice, they will treat you like second grade citizens or as slaves. They will not release your funds, and you get all, you give all taxes, you give all science, technology to country for development, but you will not get any fund. So you give taxes, and in return you will be treated as slaves. I respect South Indians. I live in California, and I see there are hundreds of software or hardware engineers, very, very simple people, but their thinking is very great. So and at least 50% of Sikh Punjabi, at least, will stood with you and your decision. So I appreciate you make union, and please consider we are with you, and we will be always with the freedom of speech, reading rights of every type of right which our constitution given. So we are with you, and keep your fight, and we will be with you always. Okay, bye. Thank you, Mr. Stalin, and all South Indian states. We Punjabi are with you. Thank you.